2026 is shaping up to be the year of trash tech. Every vendor, it seems, is chasing the bottom, engineering products for planned obsolescence, a digital landfill in the making. But occasionally, a truly defiant piece of engineering surfaces, an anachronism that stands apart. The QLEARSOUL SoulBox S1 vinyl record player, for instance, is one of those rare exceptions. It is not merely a device. It is a calculated investment in your sanity and your time. Consider the strategic advantage this unit confers. Its innovative 10-inch S-shaped Tonearm, meticulously balanced with an adjustable counterweight and an anti-skating knob, paired with a precision AT3600L cartridge, eliminates the common frustrations of skips and distortion. That is not just better sound. That is the immediate reclamation of lost time, moments you would otherwise spend re-queuing a track, or worse, troubleshooting a system that cannot hold its own. This feature alone buys back precious minutes from every listening session, minutes that compound into hours over the year. Then there is the unparalleled precision in playback. A next-generation DC motor, a belt-driven system, and a substantial 2.65-pound die-cast iron platter work in concert. This isn't just about spinning a record. It is about unwavering, flawless speed control at both 33 and 45 revolutions per minute, guaranteed by a precision electronic speed generator. No more wasted moments on pitch drift or wobbling playback. This engineering removes a pervasive point of friction, saving you from the mental tax of technical inconsistencies. You regain your focus, your concentration. Finally, the comprehensive nature of its premium audiophile system, integrating powerful stereo bookshelf speakers, streaming technology, and a built-in switchable Phono preamp, means fewer components to manage. A 25mm silk dome tweeter and a 5.1-inch fiberglass cone, balanced by advanced crossover technology, deliver sound with warmth and precision. The sum of these parts means hours you would otherwise spend researching, integrating, or upgrading disparate components are simply gone. It is a full solution, expertly curated, saving you the most valuable commodity of all: your time. Physically, the SoulBox S1 presents itself with an undeniable industrial heft. While its external finish whispers of warm walnut, the underlying structure, the chassis, speaks of cold aluminum and zero-flex engineering. The substantial weight of that 2.65-pound platter is not merely for show. It grounds the entire playback experience, providing an anchor of stability that lighter, cheaper units simply cannot replicate. This is a purposeful density, a tactile assurance of quality designed to last. Now, some might observe the weight and consider it less portable than flimsier alternatives. This is a professional trade-off. The SoulBox S1 is heavier because its core components, its motor, its platter, its Tonearm, are engineered not for fleeting convenience, but for unwavering longevity and acoustic integrity. This is not a device you toss in a bag. This is a system you integrate into your daily ritual, a testament to enduring quality over disposable trends. Global stock and prices for premium audio equipment are notoriously volatile in 2026, constantly shifting with supply chain pressures and currency fluctuations. I put the link below so you can check the current 2026 price and stock.